Hey there everyone, so I just got a new MacBook Pro with TouchBar that we're going to be unboxing and reviewing today. So we're going to be opening it up and we're going to be testing and playing around with it to see if it's actually worth your buck. So here we have it, the MacBook Pro with TouchBar. So here on the top of the box, it just says MacBook Pro, Apple logo on this side, MacBook Pro on this side. So here on the back, we have all of the basic information and specs of the MacBook. This is the 13-inch. We're also going to find serial numbers back here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here we have it, the space gray MacBook Pro. Let's open this up. Let's remove this plastic. Very sleek laptop, super thin, feels awesome. Let's put it to the side and check out what else we have here. So here is the box. It comes with the Apple stickers here and also a quick startup guide. So let's put this to the side, and here we have the wall charger adapter. It's a 61 volt USB Type-C power adapter. And here we have the new USB-C cables that all the MacBooks are coming with. So let's put all this stuff to the side. Here we have it, the MacBook Pro. Very nice feel to it. Here on the back, just a plain back. We just have the hinges here. Here on this side, we have the two USB Type-C ports. Here on the front, we just have the opening here to open up the laptop. And on this side, we have two more USB Type-C ports and a 3.5mm headphone audio jack. Here on the bottom, we have 4 rubber pads, 4 grips. Here we have small Phillips head screws holding down the back cover. And here we have some basic information on the MacBook. Let's open it up, let's power it on, and let's start using it. I'm going to go through the activation steps here really quickly. So on the far right of the touch bar, we're going to have the trackpad here for the fingerprint scanner. So here we're going to press the finger so that it can read our fingerprint. Once it's saved, we can use this to log into the MacBook. So there you go. We have completed the setup and we are into the MacBook now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the touch bar up here first. So here we have the volume button. If you press on it, you can raise or lower the volume. Also, you can also adjust the brightness here as well. And you can mute the speakers as well. Let's go ahead and open up the full touch bar. So we're going to go from left to right here. Here, the first buttons we have is once again the brightness buttons. This button right here is to open apps in Windows. This button right here is to open up the app finder. And here we're gonna have a play button, which if you press it, it should open up iTunes and begin playing music. Let's close that up. So here we're going to have the volume buttons once again. And the button all the way to the right is Siri. Find McDonald's.
Okay, cellular. Here's what I found.
Okay, so here we have the information here on the MacBook. So it's running Mac OS High Sierra. This is a MacBook Pro 13-inch from 2016 with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. It has a 2.9 gigahertz Intel Core i5 processor. It has 8 gigabytes of memory RAM, and it has a Intel Iris Graphics 550 card. So it has 2560 by 1600 screen resolution. It has a 256 gigabyte SSD. Here's support and here's the service. So I'm going to be comparing it with the HP laptop that I use, which is a HP Omen i7 processor. So I want to compare the internet speeds here on both of these and the screen resolution. So let's open up the web browser first. So I'm going to type in a website on both of the laptops, and we're going to hit enter at the same time and see which one loads it first. And let's go. So it looks like the HP there opened up YouTube first. The MacBook's still trying to open it up. It looks like maybe there was some kind of internet interruption there, and that's why the MacBook is taking so long. So let's go ahead and try a different website now. Let's go to Amazon, and let's hit enter at the same time. Let's go. And the HP once again loaded up Amazon first. Let's try another one, Apple. And go. And wow, the MacBook loaded that one up in less than a second. So the MacBook definitely won that one. Here we're going to test out a YouTube video that I'm playing to check out the screen resolution on each one. So both of these laptops have excellent resolution quality. This HP has a NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card, so it has a very nice graphics as well. But here we're going to test out some pictures. Let's compare them side by side. In the video, you really can't tell that much, but in person, they both have good quality, but the MacBook definitely stands out. It gives it a more realistic look and actually makes you feel like you're more in the picture. Alright everyone, so that is it for this video. This was a quick review on a MacBook Pro with TouchBar. See you guys around in the next video. Peace.